Stop letting valuable website leads slip through the cracks. Let's transform your website into a follow-up boss lead generation machine. First, ensure Follow-up Boss is integrated with your website platform using their API. Head over to the integrations section within Follow-up Boss and follow the specific instructions for your website provider like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace. Next, embed lead capture forms strategically throughout your website. Think contact forms, property search tools, newsletter signups, and offer downloads. Make sure these forms are directly connected to your Follow-up Boss account. Now, let's automate those crucial follow-up sequences inside Follow-up Boss. Navigate to Admin, then Automation. Create rules triggered by website form submissions. For example, an immediate welcome email followed by a text message a few hours later, and then a phone call reminder for the next day. Segment your website leads using Follow-up Boss's smart lists. Create lists based on lead source, pages visited, properties viewed, or any other website behavior. This allows for targeted messaging and personalized follow-up. Implement website personalization to cater to specific leads based on data collected through Follow-up Boss. Display relevant content like properties matching their search criteria or testimonials from similar clients. Tools like ConvertFlow can help achieve this. Finally, diligently track your results using Follow-up Boss's reporting tools. Monitor conversion rates from different website sources, analyze engagement with your follow-up sequences, and continuously optimize your website and automation for maximum impact. Boosting your business development has never been easier.